The ages of A and B are in the ratio 6:5, and the sum of their ages is 44 years. Find the ratio of their ages after 8 years. Now, let's assume the age of A to be 6x and B to be 5x. The sum of their ages, therefore, comes out to be 11x. But it is given to us that sum of their ages is 44. So we can equate 11x to 44, and therefore x comes out as 4. So therefore A becomes 6 into 4, that is 24, and B becomes 5 into 4, that is 20. Now these are their present ages. Now after 8 years, A's age will become 24 plus 8, that is 32, and B's age will become 20 plus 8, that is 28. Now we want this ratio, so A to B after 8 years, that comes out to be 32 upon 28. We can divide by the common factor 4. So 4 8s are 32, 4 7s are 28. So the ratio comes out to be 8:7. So therefore answer will be option B.